So the new GDP report just came out for Q2 of 2022, and surprise, surprise, it's the second consecutive quarter where we come out in the red. Technically, for some analysts, this is viewed as a technical recession, just for some of you guys that are not aware. Believe it or not, I mean, really not surprised by it. As soon as this report came out, the market's been so odd that it decided to go up. Can't say that I'm surprised that it went up while I guess the bulls still tried to rally for some apparent reason. Now the market's finally pulling back just like we expected, kind of recapping yesterday's FOMC Fed meeting. Nothing that was shared yesterday was good. Nothing that was shared yesterday was positive. I heard that there was a couple articles talking about the reason that the market was going up because the Federal Reserve will not take a more aggressive approach than 0.75%. That's not true. I mean, Jerome Powell literally in his speech yesterday answered the question that he will even take a more aggressive approach than this interest rate hike that they are doing for the month of July. So, quite frankly, again, it wouldn't really surprise me if we hit a 5 to maybe 7% loss on TQQQ today and maybe drop about 2 to 3% on the NASDAQ market. Right now, we are at this general support range right around 29.50 for TQQQ. If we break below this, then easily we'll retrace all the way back down to the low $29, which would get us closer to that 5% day, 5% red day for the NASDAQ ETF. But I wanted to show you this very quickly. I wanted to keep you guys up to date. The GDP report came out at 0.9% in the red, and the expectation was 0.5%. The prior month was negative 1.6. They were expecting at least something positive. It came out negative. And again, the market still reacted in a positive way when this came out. Why would the market react in a positive way when things came out worse than expected? There wasn't no guidance. That's not what it was about. This is the second consecutive quarter in a row. Technically, we're in a recession based off of this. Yet the market still wanted to rally a little bit more. If this is not a bull trap, then I don't know what is. With that being said, there is also a natural gas inventory report that's going to be released literally in 1 minute, so we should see the market react during actually this video. And then tomorrow, we have the PCE and the PMI report, and then the consumer sentiment report that will all be released by 30 minutes after the market opens. Reports begin to be released about 1 hour before the market opens, so please make sure that you're aware of that. I will not be live streaming those reports tomorrow on my channel, but what I will be live streaming today is Amazon and Apple's earnings. So right when the market closes, about maybe 3 to 5 minutes after, Amazon and Apple are going to be reporting earnings. The biggest monopolies in today's market. I'm super excited. This is kind of like the final two in the big tech industry that are going to be reporting earnings, and we shall see, right? Meta reported earnings yesterday. It makes sense on why this thing is finally dropping. We had Google and Microsoft report earnings the day before. Randomly, it decided to go up. It doesn't make sense. But again, we have Amazon and Apple that are going to be reporting earnings today. I'm going to be live streaming that, and all you literally need to do is subscribe to this channel and drop a thumbs up. I just want to make sure this video gets at least 1,000 likes. I'd be more than happy to host that live stream. I just want to make sure enough people show up. So if you want me to host that free live session today, right when the market closes, then make sure you drop a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'll keep you guys up to date with any news that is released in our Discord that is a little bit more real time. So again, that's the first link in the description of this video. You can join our free Discord if you have any questions at all. That's the best way to get a hold of me, or you can feel free to message me via Instagram, and that's the third link down below. Friendly reminder, I only have one Instagram account. All the other ones are fake, and I'm verified on Instagram. So it's the third link down below. Make sure that you select that. Other than that, again, I do trade live every single morning. I'm thinking of hosting a free live trading session. I still don't know. I'm thinking of hosting one maybe tomorrow. We'll talk about that maybe in today's later video. But again, if you guys want to join my Learn Plan Profit group, learn a little bit more about what it has to offer, I encourage you to take 2 minutes, click the second link down below, especially if you've been wanting to learn more about what it's like to watch someone trade live every single day in the stock market, especially if you're just getting started. I hope that it earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.